I don't know what is the deal with the cat in my head today.
Did you use a different shampoo or something?
No,
Oh my god. Okay.
I don't have that much hair, Phoebe.
Sounds good. Jeez. This is a mom. This is my mom. She's my mom. I love her so much. I just want to eat her. Eat her.
I'm trying to work today, and this is what I've been dealing with. Phoebe.
This is seriously.
Kitten.
She's resting now. She's tired after all that. She's having a cigarette now.
Ow.
Oh my god. Oh, that was a good. Oh my gosh. She's like so like. You're doing this in front of everybody in public with no shame, with no total disregard.
Are we done?
I would say no. Just gonna think about it. So let's see now. That was pretty delicious.
Okay.